everybody, my name is Ammar and today I will be trying to make an egg not break inside of a box. I'm gonna try and stop the egg from breaking while dropping it from 2 meters. So I've built, I put things in a box to try and make it not break. So first, on the top, I put some bubble wrap to try and break the foam from the top. And then in the middle, I sort of put tissue paper. And then I also put like straws as supportive to support all of the things. And then I put some masking tape to reinforce it. And I got a sock and I put the egg in it, so in here, and then I put cotton balls in this intent. And I'm also folding it like this so that it's somewhat harder to break it. And I will be dropping it from 2 meters from over here in 3, 2, 1. Oh, and it opened. Now see if it is broken. How do I? And it is not broken, so mission accomplished. Bye. So I'm testing it for a second time now to see if it breaks a second time. So 3, 2, 1. Saucy baka. Oh no, this seems so ding 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 ding. Ha! Mission passed. Bye bye.